Welcome to a special episode of Asia Unscripted. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. We are in the third month of this quarantine. It's been going on since mid-March, and we're, the third month, March, April, May. The main purpose of this video is I want to thank you guys. I reached 1,000 subscribers the other day, 2 days ago on Wednesday, and that is really awesome, especially for a channel like mine. I don't think I give out that much exciting information, but you guys tune in, you guys have subscribed, and I appreciate all of you. Now we're up to 1,029. So all 1,029 of you, thank you. Even if you don't subscribe and you're just checking out this video, I thank you too. So please spread the word. As soon as this quarantine lifts and I'm able to travel again, I'm going to give you guys much better material to work with. So updates. I just saw today that Malaysia plans on opening their economy on Monday, May 4th. Most of the businesses will reopen. People in Malaysia still won't be able to travel much outside their province, but at least they'll be able to start up work again within their province. They're still gonna have to follow social distancing, still gonna have to wear masks, but that's a positive step for Malaysia. Domestic flights also started in Malaysia this week, so that's another great step in the right direction. Thailand on Sunday, May 3rd, they're gonna be opening up some more businesses. They're still under a state of emergency. Alcohol is still banned in Thailand, but at least they're going to open up some more businesses and put more people back to work. And also domestic flights started up again today in Thailand. Well, they had domestic flights earlier, but there's just a lot more of them now starting May 1st. Same thing in Vietnam, May 1st. They are also starting up more flights today, domestically, unfortunately not internationally yet. In the Philippines, most of the provinces switched to a general community quarantine today, May 1st. That does not include Cebu, unfortunately. If it did include Cebu, you would see a lot more traffic here. But it's still under enhanced community quarantine until at least May 15th. And that will be up to the federal government if we are released from the quarantine or not. So, still got some time on that. But places like Dumaguete, places like Cagayan de Oro, they've been downgraded to a community quarantine, so the malls will reopen, public transportation has reopened, taxis start doing their thing again. So for a lot of the Philippines, life is slowly getting back to normal. Not so much here. I mean, this is Friday as I'm filming this, and on a Friday, this road that you're looking at should be bumper to bumper traffic. Friday afternoon is usually the worst traffic day in Cebu. But look, there is not much going on. And again, this Sunday we're gonna have our no vehicles on the road again. So supermarket near my house called Metro, they're closing Sunday. I'm guessing it's because their staff can't get to work since there's no vehicles out or allowed on Sundays, which is fine because I will probably go to the Gaisano Country Mall supermarket, which is just up this road. I went there last Sunday. I'll probably go there again this Sunday. We'll see. What else? Oh, Vietnam in Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi. Schools are supposed to start up again on Monday. I don't think it's for all grades, but for some grades they'll start up again Monday, which is great for the children. They need some structure, I think, and I think the parents are relieved too because they don't have to take time off work to take care of the kids anymore. So that's good in Vietnam. So I will be picking up my laundry here shortly. It's one of the few places that are still open, but I wanted to get some fruit first. But as you see here, there's not much of a sidewalk, so I kind of have to walk in the street a little bit. So I kind of have to look at the traffic, and I can go. Yeah, it's one of the things I dislike. Infrastructure is not the greatest. They should have sidewalks in, but it is what it is. It is what it is. That building you can see under construction back there, if I read it right, those are going to be single rooms with a common kitchen area. I'm not sure if they're even going to have private bathrooms, but it's going to be really cheap. So here's the fruit stands. See, fruits. I'm going to be buying some here in a moment when I'm done with this video. All of it is pretty fresh. Pretty fresh. So I'll be grabbing that pretty soon. Anyways, this is going to be a short one, but I just wanted to thank you guys again for 1,000 subscriptions. I promise you some better material in the future. I might even do these walking around things live, so you guys can chat with me and I can chat with you. If you think that's a good idea, let me know. I will find the proper software for my phone, and we can chat live while I'm doing these walk around activities. So let me know in the comment section. If you're just viewing this channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell button next to the subscribe button, and so you'll be alerted to any new videos that I might have. All right, so for Asia Unscripted, this is Jason, and I will see you guys again soon. Take care.